The data model is a database attached to an Excel workbook that provides many of the tools found in database programs such as Microsoft Access. Because the data model is part of the workbook, its contents are immediately available to pivot tables, pivot charts, and other Excel tools. Data stored in the data model is compressed, resulting in a smaller file than if the data was stored in an Excel table. Compressing the data also means that queries run faster and pivot tables load more quickly. However, the data model contents are not visible in the workbook. To view them, you must use Power Pivot, an Excel add-in for managing database tables and defining table relationships. I use the query editor to establish a connection between the data source and the data model. Now I connect the products purchased table in the store sales database to the data model. Click Load arrow button, then click Load to check only Create connection. This creates a connection to the products purchased table but does not load that data into an Excel table in the workbook. Check the Add this data to the data model box. Click OK. The connection is established to the data model. The data loading is completed. The products purchased query appears in the workbook queries pane with 360 rows loaded. But I cannot see any actual data in the workbook. Now I load products detail table. Click Get Data arrow button. Point on From Database. Click From Microsoft Access Database. Select this file. Click Import. Select this table. Click Load arrow button. Click Load to. First check existing worksheet. Then check only Create connection. Then check the Add this data to the data model box. Click OK. Again click Get Data arrow button. Point on From Database. Click From Microsoft Access Database. Select this file. Click Import. This time I select Stores Detail Table. Click Load to. Check existing worksheet. Check only Create connection. Check this box. Click OK. Again click Get Data arrow button. Click From Microsoft Access Database. Select this file. Click Import. Select Customers Order Detail Table. Click Load to. Check existing worksheet. Then check only Create connection. Check this box. Click OK. In this way, I have added 4 queries in this workbook. Now I am ready to use Power Pivot to view the query data and set up relationships between all 4 tables.